I'm Nick Pond. I'm Head of Finance Operations for CMS Cameron McKenna. We're one of the UK's largest law firms providing legal advice to companies based around the globe from Beijing to Rio. And my job is to underpin all finance operations which culminate in us sending bills to our clients. We're moving from Elite Enterprise, which we implemented in 1997, to Elite 3E. And given that it's been 27 years since we did this, we have nobody in-house who's ever participated in a project of this size or scale. It's imperative that we get the rates that we charge to our clients accurate on their bills, and there was a serious risk that we would move rates which would reflect incorrectly on our bills to our clients, which would be extremely poorly received by our partnership. I was introduced to inspired testing first by meeting Jacques Fouché at a conference, and then I was reintroduced to his wider team at an early day strategy planning session when we were looking at setting the landscape for our 3 migration project. The big challenge is nobody had ever done what we have set out to do. We're going to move 153 million items of data. That's at today's numbers. By the time we go live, it will be closer to 160 million data points, stretching back to my earliest data in 1948. I'm told nobody has ever done that before. The biggest impact Inspired have had, certainly on rates testing, is identifying defects. Those rates which have moved correctly are fine, but actually the most important thing that Inspired have contributed is to help us identify incorrect transfers of rates so that we can diagnose the origin of those defects and correct them in the original system. And we need to move those accurately. And I think the moment of revelation I had was realizing that A, we couldn't test 1.9 million rates by hand, and B, that Inspired Testing offered us a technology solution to actually testing those rates. We have a number of other platforms where potentially we have migration projects to which I think automated testing can be applied. Conversations that I've had with Inspired during the course of this project have identified in my mind the opportunity to test complex workflows, where the number of decisions and options within a workflow create significant numbers of permutations of work and data path. And I think there is a real opportunity to explore automated testing to test those kind of complex workflows.